Hey guys, welcome to Yoga with Shruti. I'm Shruti, and today we're going to walk through the extended side angle pose step by step with a few variations and modifications. So let's get in our mats and let's get started. So meet me in the standing position in the center of your mat. Inhale and roll your shoulders back, tuck your tailbone in, and exhale, walk your feet or jump your feet out more than shoulder width apart. Turn your right foot 90 degrees and bring your left foot slightly in, making sure that the back of your heels are aligned with each other. The extended side angle pose is meant to give you a really nice stretch all along your side body, as well as it's a hip opening posture and gives you a stretch in your inner thigh as well. So we're going to inhale and come back into our starting position with our shoulders rolled back and tailbone tucked in. And exhale, as you bend that right knee, come down onto your side body, resting your right elbow over your right knee and extending your left arm overhead. And when the sun isn't shining directly into your eyes, you can look up at the sky, the ceiling, wherever you are, and really feeling that stretch on the entire side body. Now be careful to not put a lot of weight on this leg. This leg is sort of meant for support, but not really meant to take a lot of the weight as you're going down. So you still want all of your muscles, your thigh muscles, your arms active and engaged, and that's what's supporting you in this posture. Now, if you're ready for a little bit more after this position, next level would be to bring your right hand down by your right foot. And if you can't completely touch the ground yet, this is where you can use a block. So you can use a block, whether have it in a horizontal position or a vertical position, wherever you need is okay. This is your practice. You can be where you are today for support while feeling that side body stretch and looking up. And then ultimately bringing your hand down. Ooh. It's a really good stretch on your thigh as well. And the next variation after that is you can also take a bind in this position. So when you're down here, you can interlock your fingers behind your back and push your upper body in line with the rest of your body. Then inhale, come up, and exhale, come back to your starting position. Now I'll do this from the back side so you can kind of see what the interlocking your fingers behind your back looks like. So I'll do a quick demonstration of that. Get into the posture. And this is what it looks like. And inhaling to coming back to your stunning position. See guys, that's extended side angle. So good for your entire side body stretch. Feel free to give this a try and let me know if you have any questions. I really hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.